Ambassador wa China mu Uganda, His Excellency Zhang Lizhong nagirango government ya China etegwire konja kwatiraho Uganda na munonga mbyentunguka.
Arts can link people together. In this case, especially, it's linking the hearts of people from Uganda and China. The arts competition gets students.
Through the painting and art, we build a bridge. We can walk into each other's heart.
Okugamba ebinebindi yanarambura ebintu ebikozwe government ya China omu Uganda.
I would like to take this honor as well to join today in congratulating China on their national celebration, which is their 75th anniversary of founding of the Republic of China. On this great occasion, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to the government and the people of China.
This underscores the importance of our shared mission to enhance vocational training and entrepreneurship in Uganda.
Arts, we look at creativity as the next profession that can get us where we need to be.
Also aligns with our broader mission to support education, health, and sustainable development in Uganda.
Twaza arubugamba Senior Secondary School omu Rwampara Okumbireeba wa nkore wa katano Right Reverend Associate Professor Dr. Fred Shalom Mwesegwa yahasirira beji abakuza kushitamira ebizame bitekwanisibwa UNEB abwa senior yakana ne ya mukaga.
The best and we wish you a success in your exams. We wish you a success in your exams. And remember, we have said this time 20.
All my life, actually. I trained as a grade 5 teacher, 1985. Keep records of people who studied from here to Kamwenge, Abaana, I told people if you can do that.
Kanderizova, Abaana baba dedicating senior yakana babari abana 22 kandi abasine ya mukaga niga na kaga na batanu tuba prepare ingereje barrede kore byeza ebi nebya ni karicura mu ba orevo kandi tubashabira ngo bakeje nyensi yabongera bakora nabase
and they read instructions carefully and they should know how to interpret them. One should read, a candidate should read instructions about 2 or 3 times before you attempt the question.
Omukorogo gwako abandi bahereza ba mukama abazire nabarukwendeza bugamba Senior Secondary School ebirungi byonka okuvuzibwa kwabeje ba senior kana okujanjenuraho ya UNEB abana okutandika ebiri 11 byokwezi kw'ikumi omwaka 2024 abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.